Stop saying extra or unnecessary. This word makes you sound smarter. Superfluous. Pronounce it as superfluous. The stress is on the second syllable, purr. It means exceeding what is sufficient or necessary, extra or unnecessary. During the presentation, the speaker added a lengthy anecdote about his cat, which was entirely superfluous to the topic at hand. Instead of saying extra, say superfluous to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word superfluous in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.